Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Indus YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to see budget option buying strategy, and in this video, we're going to also discuss about basics of budget along with budget day option buying strategy. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Yes guys, welcome back. So what is union budget? So let's take as an example, this is ABC person have some 5 lakh rupees. So he would plan this 5 lakhs in different asset classes to make more money. Let's say stock market or gold, bonds, or he would also might go for real estate, right? All this we call a terminology as financial planning. So when we see things from individual, so we are considering a person named ABC who have 5 lakhs have invested in different type of asset classes, which is called as financial planning. In the same way, when a country have some certain revenue, so they would also divide this revenue for expenditure on different places. That might be in infrastructure, that might be in defense, that might be in some rural development or any other. So this particular thing is called budget. So they would decide budget for each sector, you can call, or each field. So this gonna to be discussed on budget. This is gonna to be a basic introduction of budget, and which is more than enough for our case for this video. If you want to know more about union budget, because union budget there will be like capital, it can be again divided into capital budget and revenue budget, which revenue budget further will be divided into two cases. So if you want a dedicated video on this, do comment below so that I can make a dedicated video on this budget, union budget, so that you can understand and you can easily decode on budget day. Okay, if you want a dedicated video, then do comment below. So yes, now let's see what should be our strategy on that particular day. Before discussing the strategy, I want to discuss few points which should be noted and which are very important in order to execute this strategy. The first thing, this strategy is my personal view and I am not SEBI registered, and if you make any losses by using this strategy or if you gain any profits using this strategy, that completely belongs to you. So this is a disclaimer, and try to read the disclaimer in the description as well. So the second important point is capital. So how much capital should be deployed? How much capital should be deployed in this strategy? So I recommend 40% of your capital should be deployed according to your risk management. I would suggest 40%. The reason is, if you have 1 lakh, you can use only 40,000 in this particular strategy to execute. So if you we're gonna to also see why I am saying this 40,000 and why not whole capital. You would also come to know once I discuss the strategy. And the third thing is when to enter this strategy. When to enter this strategy. You have to enter this strategy 1 day before the budget at 2:30 p.m. 2:30 p.m. you have to enter this strategy, and we would discuss exit of this strategy once we complete our strategy. So what is this strategy? The strategy name is long straddle. We're going to use the strategy name is long straddle. So let me also give a small introduction about long straddle so that you will also come to know why we are using this strategy. Long straddle is nothing but buying call and put off at the money. So let's say if you consider present 40,345. So let's say 40,400 call and put you will buy together on present scenario. So at that time, on one day before, that is 31st Jan at 2:30, you will see the spot price here. Whatever the price, you will make a higher round figure. Let's say this is 40,345. If we make higher round figure, it will be 40,400. So once you make this ATM, so the ATM call and put you should buy. The reason is call and put you will get some value. Let me open this. Yes guys, you have to remember at present situation. This is on 29th January. Market is closed now. So this price I am taking now, and you have to consider the price of 2:30 on one day before of budget, that is 31st Jan at 2:30. You have to take by ATM call and put. So usually this strategy is used in all event days. Whenever we have a very big event, we will usually use this long straddle to gain safe profits. Why I am saying this gain safe profits, you will also come to know. Whenever we have some event, depending upon the event result, we will get a big move either on buy side or sell side. Okay, and whenever we get a big moves, then we will be profitable in this long straddle. And when the market consolidates or stays in between a range, we will get loss in this particular strategy. So even days there are less chances that it will stay in sideways. But yes, last budget we did not get much moves. The reason is we did not get bigger moves. The reason is very simple. Last time the expectations of the people are high on the budget, but the budget is up- not got according to estimation and expectation of people. That's the reason we have seen in the sideways we did not get any big. So the reason I am explaining you, I have brought you to the Opstra. The reason is here the max loss per one lot. We are getting max loss of 28,000. This is according to today's date. You don't worry. We have more 2 days left. So on that day, if you see, you can see here max loss, and you should be get ready to accept this loss, because if the market stays in sideways, we will exit at the time. No need to worry, we will not give this much loss to the market, but take the worst case into consideration and get ready even for the loss. So no strategy is 100% here. That's the reason we are using only 40% of our capital. So let's say on today's date we have taken long straddle, and you have to take this break even points. So let me mark break even points 39,254, 39,200 and 39, 254, 41, 546. So this is our break even zones. You can take by entering in Opstra, and you can get this break even zones. So let's say this is 31st candle. Assume you have taken entry here, and after the budget gets, see, after market would open flat and market may sustain up to 10 o'clock. This is case 1. Market would sustain up to 10 o'clock, and we may get either upside move or downside move. and in the second half we usually see a unidirectional move. So this is our plan. So when we know market gonna to sustain here, why can't we take on budget day? Some people might also get this doubt. But the thing is, we may go get case 2 also. The case 2 is at 9:15 it will open and it will show the reaction instantly. So we don't want to miss this move. So we will take one day before. Yes, we may also affect with theta. We will also get some premium decay. That's completely fine. But we usually get a big move which can cross, give a breakout or breakdown to this range. So you can also mark this range on one day before when you have taken the long straddle, and mark this range. And once the range breaks, and you may also get the trap moves, guys, like even days we can see a trap move that if let's say market wants to go on one side, they will trap on the other side first and they will go this direction. So make sure all the updates I would give and live commentary tomorrow we have on this premium channel. One who have opened demat account under us, they will get all the updates in the premium channel and as well as in this free channel. So I gonna to update the view in the free channel according to budget, and I would be live with the premium channel members on that budget day. So I will explain the complete analysis and I will explain the commentary as well. If you have not yet opened, then I highly recommend you to open one demat account under us and trade in that to get this premium channel. Or else if you are using fires, you can directly map that account under us so that you can you will be added to this premium channel. So coming to, we have also uploaded the weekly analysis video. If you have not yet watched, go here, the link is here, and try to watch that video. So now we got answers for how much capital we should deploy. The first thing, capital we should deploy 40%. Second thing, when to enter, 2:30 on one day before, that is on 31st Jan. On 2:30 p.m. we will enter the strategy. Now when to exit? After 11 a.m. we will get a directional view. That direction we will hold the position, and remaining direction we will exit that leg. Let's say market gave a upside move of our range, then after 11 a.m. we will exit the PE. If market gave breakdown, then we will exit the CE. So after 11 a.m. when we got one direction, then you have to exit the opposite leg so that you would have only one leg, and you have to trail that leg too also with 30 point stop loss distance. Let's say the price is running at 300, then you should keep the stop loss of 270. If it went to 330, then you have to trail, and 360, then you have to trail. Keep on trailing the stop loss with the distance of 30 points, and when the trailing stop loss hit, you should exit from the trade. Or when you get at least 1 to 2% return on your particular capital deployed, safe traders can exit with 1 or 2% on capital. Remaining can follow this approach by trailing 30 point stop loss. So, still, if you have any doubts, you can ask us in the comment section so that you will get instant reply from there. Or else, you would also have a Telegram support here in this channel. Once you join here, you will get a Telegram ID. There can also you can ask your doubts. So hope this video is helped you, and again if you want a dedicated video on budget, please do comment so that we will make a dedicated video. And in case if you want a option selling strategy, then also comment below so that we will make a dedicated strategy on option selling as well. So this is going to be a important rules you should follow. If you fail the rules, then you're going to regret. So make sure you follow all the four rules which we have discussed. and make sure if the market is consolidating, if we don't get any more according to the budget, like I would inform you in the telegram channel, then you can take the decisions according that. And also I gonna to update once I would also take this position long straddle, and I will update once I take position in this free channel. So don't forget to join this channel. You can simply search the Indus Trader, or this link is given in every video description and comment section. So try to join the channel to get and use it maximum benefit. So see you in the next video guys. Until then, we are signing off. Jai Hind.
Fearless.